So the colors on your iPhone look weird and you want to fix this. I will show you in today's video how you can make this better and fix the weird look on your iPhone device. So the first thing we need to do is head over to settings here, and then we need to scroll down until we see the option for display and brightness. Now, once we click this, if we then scroll down to where it says brightness, you will then see an option for true tone. Now, the description for this is automatically adapt the iPhone display based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. Now, true tone is the reason why sometimes your colors look off and will look weird. So if you want to keep a consistent color over all of the different environments that you will be in, and make it look a little bit more consistent, what you will be able to do is turn this off right here. Now, what this will do is it will sort out all the colors and it will not change depending on where you are in the environment, for example. So it's just that simple, guys. If the colors look weird on your iPhone, this is the exact reason why, and you can turn this off to fix this straight away.